Attach this Excel file in the mail and send the mail. Once you send the mail, they will map your IIFL account with Blaze and send you credential, user ID and password for login into Blaze trading platform. Once you receive the client ID and password in the mail, you have to go to this link to create the API. The link is also given in the description of the video. You will be at IIFL Blaze Developers platform. Once you get there, you need to click on Create New Account. Sign up with your details such as first name, last name, email ID, phone number, user ID. Here you enter the same user ID as you have received in the mail from Blaze. Then after you set the password of your desire, enter the captcha, and click on Sign Up. Once you click on Sign Up, it will send the validation mail to your register email ID to verify. In the mail you will receive verification link to sign in. After clicking on that link, you will be again on Sign In to IIFL Blaze Developers platform. Sign in with your user ID and password you have set while sign up and click on Login. Once you log in, the interface will look like this. On the top right corner you need to click on API Catalog. First API you need to create is Interactive Order API. Click on Subscribe button below the Interactive Order API. You need to validate your account again with your trading account. Enter client ID and password you receive in the mail after mapping your account with Blaze and click on Submit. Give application name My AlgoMate Interactive API. In description write My AlgoMate Interactive API. Scroll down and click on Create Application. Again go on the top right corner, you need to click on API Catalog. Second API you need to create as Market Data API. Click on Subscribe button below the Market Data API. Give application name My AlgoMate Market API. In description write My AlgoMate Market API. Scroll down and click on Create Application. Both the API will be created but it will show deactive status. Copy API key and API secret of Interactive Order API and Market Data API and save to Notepad file. This details and your user ID will require to log into My AlgoMate software. You can log out from the IIFL Blaze platform. The API will take few minutes to activate. After this process you need to send another mail to increase the WebSocket limit to 400 of your account. Send the mail as per the drafting in screen and send to ttblazesupport@iifl.com.